What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be customizing a pair of Vans off the wall with a Crayola coloring theme. First thing I'm going to do is get this shoe taped off in all the necessary places. I'm going to tape the soles off. I'm going to tape the actual Vans sign off on the side of the shoe. The tag that is on the actual tongue of the shoe, as well as all of the round holes that are in place on the top of the shoe that the laces go into. So once I have the shoe taped off, I'm gonna start painting the shoe. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use paint brushes to paint this shoe off. Usually I would use an airbrush gun, tape each section off and hit each section up with an airbrush. But I figured I would show that you can get good results and still do the same thing with a brush and paint. You also want to make sure that you're mixing your paint with Too Soft from Angelus Direct. That's actually going to make it so your paint adheres to the fabric and it keeps the authentic feel to it, the factory feel to it, which is very important. You don't want the paint all caked on and looking thick. It just doesn't look like it's professionally done. And as always, whether you're using a airbrush gun or a paintbrush, you always want to make sure that you're taking your time in making sure you're getting all the areas filled in properly, just to make sure that you have that nice crisp look. I really like the colorway on this pair of Vans. The colors that I used for this custom is Neon Tropical Sun Yellow, Blue, Neon Popsicle Green, and Fire Red, all from Angelus Direct. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more custom videos soon. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting a pair of these or a variety of other customs in your size. Sneaker Vibe.